Trying to learn a language? Bad news. Summer's here, and you're going to forget the language you've learned. The good news? Summer's here, and so is our summer giveaway. Your chance to learn the language 2 times faster this summer with the 900 Words and Phrases in 50 Lessons PDF pack. A fast and easy way to pick up must-know words, phrases, grammar, and dialogues through 50 quick lessons and exercises that just take minutes to do. Click the link in the description, sign up, and get free access before time runs out. You'll learn basic conversations, sentence patterns, and start speaking with the lessons. You'll master over 900 frequently used words and phrases in total. You'll get to practice writing the language with the writing exercises. You can even print it out and use it as a textbook. But don't miss out. The 900 Words and Phrases in 50 Lessons giveaway ends August 1st, and you won't see it again anytime soon. So, click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account right now to get it.